Welcome to this episode of Get Dressed with Me. On this episode, Levi's 501 jeans. These are actually I stole them from my boyfriend. I've been wearing them, and now I'm putting them in my shop closet shop on my website, and I am really obsessed. I love them. I have too many pairs of jeans, so I'm letting them go. But these are just a nice classic 501 men's jean. The size is waist 34, length 32. And I like to rock them with a cuff or a double roll. Here they are with like classic Harley Davidson vintage tee, my Chanel bag, and my Samba Adidas black sneakers with some earth kilties on them, and my Adam Selman sunglasses, Lolita sunglasses, and then I have a Cosabella bra and knickers on. And then I also love them like this with the two turned up roll with my Elder Statesman cashmere hand dip dyed sweater with the Edelweiss on it, and these Red Wing logging boots that I've had for ages that I love so much. To me, these are just classic boyfriend jeans. They fit well. They've been broken in nicely. You can't beat a 501. They're completely classic. These have the red tab on the back. And I don't know, there's just nothing better than an oversized boyfriend fit jean you can have in your closet forever. And I think it's definitely a classic to make sure that you have a great pair of boyfriend jeans in your wardrobe. Now here it is with a Levi's button-down cotton denim shirt. So kind of like my punk rock goth version of a Canadian tuxedo, I guess. Um, I love this little Levi's denim shirt. I got the Levi's store in Santa Monica, and I just like rocking it with my black denim. I think it looks cool. And then this is a belt I found in Sturgis at the Wall Drug Store. Then, of course, like a little bit of vintage booties here, my red cowboy boots, and just kind of changing that cuff to a one roll versus two gives you just a little bit of a different dimension on the ankle with the cowboy boots. But I really love this. I think it's super classic and chic. I think having a good pair of boyfriends is in slouchy jeans is really nice, especially when you're doing like tighter tops. But even just like comfy. Now I'm obsessed with these Chinatown Mary Janes. They're like little red velvet Mary Jane slippers that I got on Amazon, and this is a Realization Par silk top that I love, and I totally rock all time. Great for laying over a bralette like this. And then if I want to rock a boyfriend jean to a fancier, night out, date night, party, whatever, I like to do it with my glitter platform heels from Marc Jacobs and my Celine tuxedo jacket with nothing underneath. I love also a bralette and something super sexy on top with something oversized like a boyfriend jean. So here it is with the, Celine blazer with no shirt underneath, just button once over my black lace bralette from Cosabella. And these jeans, like, again, I think it's nice to have something tight in proportion on top when you're doing a boyfriend jean. That's it for this episode. Check you guys later.